Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about stocks to watch for November, stocks that I'm looking to buy in November. We're going to go through this list real quick. So, shout out to the Koreans and the, Irelandish people and all the different people, Australians. Austria, is that another one? There's so many people who watch me from around the world. It's crazy. Ukrainians? Yeah, there's a Ukrainian too. So shout out to the international people. Obviously, my audience is mainly US, but just wanted to shout out the people that watch me from around the world. To me, that's like insane. I've been like meeting so many people that are from different countries, and I'm like, whoa, they have different accents. That's crazy. But let's jump into this before I keep going on and on. So what am I watching for in November? Let's just go. We're just gonna go down the list or up the list in this case. MP at the purple line. The purple line is at 50 to 53. So look out for that. Let's go up the list. Some idiot some idiot bought meta options, and now he's holding a big bag. And then he had the audacity to be like, "Well, I guess this meta call option that I bought that expires in 2 weeks. I guess this is just a little bit of a lotto. I guess it's just a little bit of a experiment." So, which is just stupid. Like it didn't work out. The trade didn't work out for him, right? Because he tried to time a falling knife. Uh, so the trade didn't work out for him. So now it becomes just a little, it's just a little lotto. I kind of expected to lose. It was just a little, it was a little gamble. Like, like no, get the fuck out of here. That guy he thought he was gonna time the bottom on this. That's silly. Let it come down in reverse first. Don't just a big red candle must buy. Usually a big red candle is followed by another big red candle. So that's the rule. Red Sig Robotics, purple line at $3, 3 to 340. I would watch for that. That's what I'm buying. Let's see. What else do I care about? I don't care about BitF. Let's see. Yeah, some people bought Microsoft calls too, and they're in the red, deep in the red now because they loaded up a bunch of them. And I'm just sitting here like, are these people just like, are they stupid? Like a lot of people blew up their accounts in October. And somehow people don't learn from other people's mistakes. Like you would think, what's funny? There are people who think they're smarter than the ones that blew up their accounts, right? They look at these people that blew up their accounts on margin, leverage, and all that, and they go, "Wow, I'm not that stupid." Proceeds to buy like a ton of meta calls short-term dated, like thinking they're gonna time the bottom, and that's just silly, just silliness. Nvidia. I would expect this to pull back to like 195-ish. I already sold a put in anticipation of this coming down there. And this one I'm okay with holding it down. So yeah, so this is buy the dips, sell the rips. Sell puts, sell calls. I wouldn't buy options on this on Nvidia, but a lot of money to be made just on shares, selling calls, selling puts. And yeah, this one's buy the dips, sell the rips, buy the top, and sell it when it goes up higher. Like literally, it's just easy money. SMH, that one's good for the 1% challenge. Let's continue up here. What else? I'm trying to make sure this video isn't like 1,000 minutes long. So let's go up the list. Webull, people have been talking about Webull. It's done a whole lot of nothing. I did buy and flip some. Let's see if it holds here at tens. And if it doesn't, then oh well. Be very careful listening to influencers. They can be wrong. I've noticed a lot of people, they kind of trust influencers a little too much. Like they can be wrong. There's been a lot of them that have been wrong, and then they usually just brush it under the table, like, oh, this, we didn't lose on this, that never happened. Whereas I'll tell you to your face, yep, I lost a lot of money on MSTR and color, and no, there's a lot of them that pretend like they only ever win. So don't be surprised if they're wrong on bull. I'll be buying if it comes down to like low tens though, and a starter position. I'm not gonna add big yet. That needs to show me that it's actually going to do anything because it's just going sideways. It is under the purple line. It does have the setup, so that's why I'm on top of it. But just be careful. These influencers are humans and they can be wrong. There's a guy in my Discord, Joey Shaw. Oh no, not Joey Shaw again. Trucker Jeff, Joey Shaw. We got some famous people in there. Shaz. But jokes aside, GRNY, that's good for the 1% challenge. CLSK. I use Bitcoin miners to generate income. I would expect this to come down to the purple line too. That would be great. Please come down to the purple line. I beg you. I'm not like one of those people that get scared when things go red. I'm the kind of guy that goes, yes, please drop it lower. Trucker Jeff in the Discord, we were talking yesterday, and he's like, man, I want a bear market. Like, please, please, a bear market. I want everything. These people don't know what the fuck they're doing. Like, that's what Trucker Jeff said. He's like, these people don't know what the fuck they're doing. They think this sell off is something. This is nothing. I've seen, because Trucker Jeff started trading in a bear market. So he's seen how much prices can drop. He's seen stocks drop 10, 20% a day. He knows what it's like to see stocks actually just keep falling, and not just like a little 5, 3% fall, like 10, 20% every day. He's been there. So he understands the real money is made on the drops, and he's excited. He's like, please, please, I want a bear market. So he has my mindset now. He finally has that mindset of, if stocks drop, get excited. Yes, I'm in the red. Cool. I want to buy this cheaper. Please. So that's awesome to see. But he still hesitates, right? Like he kind of is afraid to buy. Like, he's afraid to buy the dip because it might keep dipping. So he kind of gets paralyzed because of that. So I've been training him to, not get paralyzed. Like, if you buy the dip and it keeps dipping, cool. It doesn't matter. You're still getting, that just means you're getting a bigger discount, man. On the company that you love, that you love so much that, I don't know. It's just weird. It's weird. People's psychology is weird in the markets. Like, oh my God, my favorite stock, it just keeps going down. Yes. Yes. I want it cheaper. Cool. Oh my God. I don't know. It's only in the stock market that people get afraid of discounts, right? If you go to the grocery store and stocks and the grocery prices just kept going up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%, you'd probably be a little concerned. And if it went up 100%, you'd probably be like, why am I paying double for for my groceries? But for some reason, if grocery prices go down, you probably would be excited. Like, wait, I can buy more of what I want. Like, I can actually buy double the candy. Like, huh? Like, if your grocery prices got cheaper, you'd be excited. Don't lie, you'd be excited. A lot of you would be very happy. Like, yes, I get to buy more I get to buy more groceries for my money, right? Instead of just 40 items, I get 80. Instead of just 80 items, 160 items, etc. But for some reason in the stock market, that's not the case. In the stock market, it's, oh my God, it keeps going down under. I don't understand. It's so weird. To me, I don't know. To me, it's just weird. But I'm happy to see that Trucker Jeff has he's finally like, him going through a bear market. It definitely kind of beat the fear out of him, so to speak. It beat the fear out of him. Like, he'll tell you, I want 3 months of just red. Like, I don't give a shit about anyone else. I don't give a fuck if everyone else is scared and crying because their stocks are in the red and their portfolio's deep in the red. I want a bear market. I'll be deep in the red. I know. I don't give a fuck. I want red. That's what Trucker Jeff said. He's like, I want a bear market. Please. Like, Shades, are we going to get a bear market anytime soon? And I'm like, I don't think so. But, maybe in 2026 I could see it. But, you're going to have to relax and wait for the bull market to end first, because there's no bear market in sight so far. APOD, buy the dip, sell the rip. SoFi, same thing. Buyer showed up actually on Friday. So buy the dip, sell the rip. I expect this one at 40 to 50. I'm not going to give you a timeline. It's going to happen at some point. Who cares when it happens? It's going to go to 30 to 50. BBAI, I still believe 10 plus. BBAI holding support here, does have earnings on November 10. Again, this is a buy right here. If it comes down to the purple line, I will load up huge. Netflix, this is under the purple line. Trends on the yearly time frame, right? For the past 13 years, it's only had 2 red years, and it just keeps going up. It's had plenty of bad earnings on the way up, and it still continues to go higher. I will be looking to buy this one, and I will be looking to take advantage of the pump because it's had 2 other forward stock splits in the past. And after every forward stock split, it's gone up like 10% minimum. So the stock split is bullish, on top of it being under the purple line as well. So people need to be entertained, sex sells, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is like another big play. Like Sybil's a big play, this is also a big play. Like, this is a perfect setup. Under the purple line, this is too easy. What else? Palantir, buy the dip, sell the rips, has earnings on Monday, so wait until after earnings. Hims is garbage, but you can buy it. It's under the purple line. It's under the purple line, right? Anytime it goes under the purple line, rally's huge, rally's huge, rally's huge, rally's huge. So that's a buy if you want to buy healthcare stocks. I have a rule: no healthcare stocks. So not for me, not for me. ARKB follows Bitcoin, so buy a few hundred shares and hold for the swing. It's right at the purple line, right? So it's nice and cheap. And from where it is, I mean, if you're gonna play the swing here off the purple line, from where it is right now to the high, that's 15%. That's not bad for something that just follows Bitcoin to new highs. So when Bitcoin goes to 140, 150K, this should be at like $50. So there you go. That's if you're playing the swing trade off the purple line. If you're just looking to buy the dip and sell the rip for a few $100, you can also do that. Up to you which way you want to go about with that one. Let me see what else. Come on, let's go. This video's getting too long. BMNR. People keep asking me about BMNR, but here's the problem with BMNR. Here's why I don't care for BMNR. I'm going to show you right now real quick. It found a bottom down here at $40 back in July. And it's just been going sideways since then, right? It's actually right in the 40s again. So it's just doing a whole lot for what? August, September, October, November. What? For 4 months now? It's just been sideways. So I guess you could see it as an opportunity, but it's not even under the purple line. Like I don't know. It's not for me. If you want to buy it and take the risk, go right ahead. I'd rather buy SoFi, which just keeps going up, not something that just goes sideways. What else? Come on, let's go. We got this. Robinhood. Yeah, Robinhood, same thing. It has earnings coming up. Buy the dips, sell the rips. Same thing. Buy the dips, sell the rips. That one's easy money as well. NVTS has earnings on Monday, so unfortunately, even though it did find support, we got earnings and anything can happen. So I would just wait until after earnings. Here on this earnings, it dropped right here on this earnings. It did a whole. Wait, did it drop here? Yeah, it dropped here. Yeah. I'm noticing that a lot of earnings cause it to drop. So, yeah. So just be careful. I would wait till after earnings and then maybe we would buy. If there was no earnings coming up for MVTS, then I would have given this the buy because it's like, damn, it's holding up right here. That's perfect. But nope, earnings coming up, it's not a buy. But something to keep an eye on for sure. Amazon, I don't care for it because it's just been, again, it's been going sideways here since February. Like it's not creating a new high. You know what's been creating a new high? Palantir, Nvidia, tech stocks. So AI infrastructure stocks, quantum stocks, AI stocks. Those are the ones creating new highs. Amazon is just barely now, after like what, almost a whole year, it's finally created a new high and looks like it may not even hold. I might just continue to go sideways here. So Amazon, not for me. I don't like sideways stocks. That's just a rule of mine, unless it's Sybil, because Sybil's been a moneymaker for me. So there are exceptions, of course. You can break the rules once you know what the hell you're doing. Looking at Sybil, I would expect it to come down to 003s. That would be normal. That would be expected. Last time it did the same exact shit, right? Pumped here, came down, went sideways, went down lower, right? Same thing, pumped here, going down slowly and finding support here, 004s. But honestly, I would expect a drop to 003s and then we get the huge pump. We do have earnings coming up as well. So this one's one of those where you just buy it when no one wants it. In fact, please come down to 001s because last time it went down here, look at that. A 631% move. If it goes to 00, like the ones, 002s, that's nothing more than opportunity. But again, you know how people are. Oh no, my stock is dropping and it's in the red. I'm in the red. Oh no, it's over. Meanwhile, me and Trucker Jeff are like, fuck yeah, please give us a bear market. Please, I want the bear market. All right, that's it for the video.